Alright, we're going to show you Carver Mariner how to replace this window molding. It really protects the screws. As you can see, this is a 23-year-old boat. It gets pretty corroded, gunky, and it doesn't even really fit because it's shrunken. This is a simple job, and I'll save you some money. Step one, take it out. It's pretty easy. Step one's complete. Now we'll go to step two. TaylorMade is the original manufacturer for this stuff. I'm sure it's really good. This lasted a long time, but it's really expensive. It's about $40 for 10 feet, and you need 20 feet to do both sides. So I found this online weather stripping that was, I think I paid 18 bucks for 30 feet, which is more than enough. I already did the other side of the boat, but I just thought I'd show you how easy this is to do. Have to be a perfect cut because you're going to jam it in there anyway. Just trim that a little bit so it kind of fits in there. It's adhesive on one side. A couple feet of it, and we'll start putting it in. You get the idea. I'm going to finish it up, and I'll shoot a little video of it all done and then show you the link to the product. So we're back. Took about 20 minutes to get all of it in there. Got a couple of pieces got to press in. But what a difference. And it's super simple and really inexpensive.